Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to pay personal, car or home insurance bill on QBE. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your QBE account, which I'm going to do right here and right away. So this is QBE and this is the official website for QBE. So in case you do not have an account already created, it's pretty much simple. Just launch your browser, any browser of your choice, and then go ahead at the top corner where you're going to find the search bar. Type QBE.com. It's going to take you to this fantastic official website where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great and exciting moment on QBE. So right now, let's hop into today's tax, which is pretty much simple. How do you pay your bills, your insurance bills, either personal, car, or home insurance bills, right here on QBE? Of course, you know, if you're choosing QBE, then you know what QBE is about. It's an international insurance platform. They help businesses manage risks, build strength, and then face any challenges that they have. And of course, help them to conquer their world in the world of jobs or in the world of businesses or in the world of too many activities, too many economic activities. QBE is trying to tell you that they are your trusted partners, day in, day out. All right, so this is it. And they like to, of course, pride themselves as being an international insurer and reinsurer. So you can rest assured that when it comes to insurance and managing your business, risk-free businesses, then QBE is there for you. So now that we're here, let's see how we can pay our bills. All right, so I'm just gonna have to head over to a new tab because I wanna create a new tab. Now, you can do this using absolutely any browser of your choice. Right there at the top corner, you're gonna find the search bar. And then from the search bar, all you need to do is to type QBE Pay My Bills, and it's going to take you to where exactly you can pay your bills. Okay, so so I'm just gonna have to type QBE Pay My Bill, and it's gonna give you options where you can, of course, you can choose. All right, so there are a lot of options right here. So all you need to do is to choose the official website for paying the bills. So you don't go pay your bills in a website that is not it. All right, so here is it, QBE Insurance Group, and then we have the QBE.com Pay My Bill. All right, so go ahead and click on that, Pay My Bill, personal, car, or home insurance bill. So click on that website, and it's going to take you to a window where you're going to have to now select what bills or what specific bills that you want to pay on QBE. So here we go. So this is CTP, home, business, claims, and pay my bill. So actually this is where we are right now among these headings. So here are the bills that you can pay. So these are personal bills that you can pay. We have both, and if you also open this up, where you see there's some drop down menu symbol, if you open it up, you're going to see more options. All right, and step-by-step process is going to take you through how you can pay your bill, your both bills. And then we have car, and of course we have the CTP and SW Green Sleep. We have the CTPSA. Scroll the way down, you're going to see the CTP KLD and caravan, contents, home, landlord, motorcycle, smart business insurance. Okay, so all of these are personal bills that you can definitely pay. So let's start with how we can pay car bills. All right, so want to see how we can pay car bills, then we're going to head over to home, how we can pay our home bills, and from that we can see how we can also touch other specific personal bills that we would like to touch. Okay, so first thing, the car. So I'm just gonna click on the car. Just go ahead and click it. All you need to do, just click on it, and that's all. So here are various ways you can pay this bill. You can pay online. That's pay by credit card at this. So here's a hyperlink that you can definitely click, and it's just gonna take you to where you can get this done. And then the next thing is by phone. It says pay by credit card by calling this phone number. So if you want to pay by credit card by calling this phone number to just help you through the process, that's cool. So once you call this phone number, they're gonna put you through the step-by-step processes on how you can pay with your credit card. And once they help you through, you don't have to go through the stress of doing that all by yourself. And then we have the BPay. All right, so it says to pay by internet or phone banking, contact your financial institution to make payment from your nominated account. All right, so just go through this process. If you have a financial institution already, just go ahead and click on that, and they're going to help you make this payment, from your nominated account. They will help you through the process. And then the next is post bill pay. That's pay in person at any Australia Post store. Call this number or visit this website, so it can take you through the step-by-step process on how you can pay via this post store. And then the next is by mail. All right, send payments by credit card, check, or money order by mail. And then in person, you can pay in store at Australia Post by cash, check, and then the EFT, POS, or credit card. So all of these are step-by-step processes that's going to help you with the process to pay your bill. So let's say we want to pay online, and let's go through this hyperlink that is made available. Click on that, and let's see how it takes us to another window. And then we follow the on-screen prompts, and we'll be good to go. So you can choose any of those steps. Just choose the one that is most convenient for you. So we're just gonna see how this works, and if it's most convenient for us, then that's fine. Why not? If not, we're just gonna hop right into it. So here you go. So this is the window, pretty much cool. Let's get started. Pay your insurance policy online, and then pay your new policy, alterations or renewal invoice. So now it says select the policy you hold with QBE. So here you have to select the policy, click on this. Any of these policies, then click. So because we're focusing on car and we want to pay car bill, go ahead and click on car. And when you do that, that's the next step, is enter your payment reference number. So go ahead and click on your payment reference numbers. If you don't have a reference number, please call this number, and let them know that you do not have this reference number they're requesting, and you will need to get the number. They're going to help you with that. So go ahead and enter the payment reference number, and then go ahead and click on find your bill. And once you click on find your bill and you have found your bill, go ahead and click on pay your bill now. And then the next step will definitely be self-explanatory, because it's just going to take you to the payment method, through which you can get your bill paid. So this is pretty much how to go about it. It's just the process. I'm just going to go all the way back and see how we can follow through the same process when it comes to paying home bills. All right, so that first is car, and then the next is home. So click on home, and I'm going to scroll all the way down and go through the process again. As you can see, it's just definitely the same thing, no difference. So pay online, same thing, and by phone, and DPay, the same thing, post bill pay, and mail, and in person. Okay, so let's say we want to go over the online again so that we can pay for this home thing. So go ahead and click on pay my bill, and let us see the window it takes us. As you can see, it's still the same process for payment. You're going to select the policy you hold, but in this case, once you click on this, please select option right there, the drop down menu. Go ahead and click on home, because right here, right now, we want to pay home bill. And then enter your payment reference number. Of course, if you're a policy holder for QBE, you should have this reference number. If you do not have this reference number, like I said earlier, go ahead and contact this phone number get in touch with them and let them know that you want to get this. They're going to put you through the process, and once you're done, click on that and then click on find your bill. I can't find my bill because I have not filled this out. So once you have entered your payment reference number, then you'll be able to find your bill. And once you have found your bill by clicking on this find your bill, all you need to do is to click on pay your bill now, and once you have clicked on this, you will be good to go and you will just get that your bill paid. So repeat the same process for every other personal bill that is stated right there in this list. For motorcycle, for small business insurance, for content, caravan, and all of these for both. It's the same simple process. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.